Sketch the graph of y equals -2 cosecant of x plus pi over 4 plus 1. The cosecant function is the reciprocal of sine. So what we're going to do is start by graphing y equals -2 sine of x plus pi over 4 plus 1. So we have to go through and do this. So we'll identify our a, b, c, and d. A is -2. B is 1. C is negative pi over 4. And D is 1. And we can get all the different key features that we need from this. So our amplitude is the absolute value of A, which is 2. Our midline is y equals D, which is 1. Our maximum is going to be the midline plus the amplitude, which is 3. And the minimum is the midline minus the amplitude, so -1. The period is 2 pi over the absolute value of b, which is 1, so our period is just 2 pi. And our phase shift is c over b, so -pi over 4 over 1, which is -pi over 4. And now we're ready to sketch the sine function. Now I'm going to sketch that in, I'm going to do it in red just so that we have a different color, because our ultimate goal is to sketch this cosecant function. So what I'm drawing right now is not actually the function. So our midline is at y equals 1. So I'm going to go ahead and sketch my midline. And our, because we're looking at a sine function, our starting point is going to be on the midline, and our phase shift tells us our x-coordinate, so at -pi over 4. That's right there. And we have a negative number in front, okay, the -2 sine, which means that we're going to start from our starting point by going down. Okay, so we're going to just remember that we're going to be going down there. Our period is 2 pi, so from here we move 2 pi and we get this ending point. We have our point halfway between those, which is right here at 3 pi over 4. And then our maximum and minimum point. So our maximum is at is 3. That's going to be over here for this segment, up at 3. And our minimum over here will be at -1. And then we go ahead and sketch. So I'm gonna, oh geez, that was kind of sloppy, wasn't it? Oh geez, my hand is not steady today. I'm gonna just, okay, last time I got this. That is not beautiful, but that's the idea. Ooh, let's see if I can do it a little bit better on this side. Okay, so we've got our different points. That's a little bit better. I like that. In fact, I think I'm going to go ahead and copy that over, because this was just kind of train wreck over here. I'm just going to go ahead and copy and paste this one right here. Copy and paste that piece and copy it over. That's a lot better. All right, and so this is our sine function, and now we're ready to use it to sketch the reciprocal function. Okay, so we start by drawing our asymptotes, and our asymptotes are just the places where this sine function touches the midline. So we've got an asymptote right here and here, each of those points. And then we take our maximum and minimum points and we just kind of flip around the behavior and follow the asymptotes. And that's really as as much as we have to do. Nothing else to it. So what I've drawn here in the black, that is this cosecant function.